Okay, so the next step is to place your material on chuck. So make sure that this is off. Okay, so lift the cover and you can place your material right there. Okay, so use this key. This is a safety feature. Just keep in mind that it's highly recommended that every time you place your key on the chuck, you remove it immediately. Okay, but it's quite a common practice that you forget about it. So that's why this one has this feature. It jumps out. All right, so you want to check that you're going to have enough space to do anything here. For instance, in this case, you want to try to get this closer at some point. Maybe trying to get this tool to cut and get closer enough to the chuck. This could give you some advantage to get more or less material coming out from the chuck, but in this case, that would be good enough. Okay, so you can see that you're not going to have any clashing unless you're going too much all the way here, and still just want to make sure that you're going to have enough space to do this. Okay, so if you're not comfortable with that, you can also crank it a little bit out, and that way you have enough material here to do your first wrap. Okay, so right now we just snug it and then tie it a little more and a little more. Okay, so you're gonna feel that it's no longer moving, and just keep in mind that at least you're working with aluminum, so if you keep on tightening this too much, you're gonna leave marks. So far for the first lap, if you have marks on the remainder of the tail of the material stock, there's not going to be an issue. But for the other laps 2 and 3, probably that's going to become a problem. So if that's where you have it right now, that's okay. Okay, so put the cover down, and let's talk about how you're going to place the tools.